In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Alibaba without a company. If you're an individual looking to purchase products directly from suppliers on Alibaba, but you're not affiliated with a company, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you know exactly what steps to take to place your order seamlessly. First off, let's begin by heading over to Alibaba's official website at alibaba.com. If you've never been on Alibaba before, you'll want to sign up as a new buyer. If you've already been around this block, simply sign in with your existing credentials. Joining Alibaba is quite straightforward. Just provide your basic details and verify your account, and you're all set to embark on your shopping journey. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you can enter the name or description of the product you're interested in purchasing. Whether it's electronics, clothing, or something completely niche, Alibaba offers a vast selection that caters to a wide range of preferences. Take your time to explore the search results that align with your interests, and don't rush through this. It's important to find a product that meets your needs perfectly. Now to the crucial part, check if the supplier accepts small orders. Sometimes you'll notice that the minimum order quantity, or MOQ, is set quite high, but don't worry, you can easily overcome this. Simply reach out to the supplier by sending them a message. Try saying something along the lines of, "Hi, I'm not a company, can I buy just 1 to 5 pieces to test the product?" Suppliers are often willing to negotiate. Many are open to smaller sample size transactions, especially if you're upfront about your needs. Found a supplier willing to sell you the quantity you're comfortable with? Great! Now it's time to add those items to your cart. Take a final look at the product details and ensure everything aligns with your expectations. Verify the price, shipping costs, and any other relevant details that could affect your purchase. Adding items to your cart is simple. Just click on the Add to Cart button once you're sure about your selections. Once the items are safely nestled in your cart, proceed by clicking on Check Out. This will take you to the payment and shipping information page. Here's where you meticulously input your shipping details and review your order summary. Be as precise as possible with your address and contact information to avoid any mishaps during delivery. Congratulations, you're now ready to follow through with your purchase. Alibaba will guide you through various payment methods available, so choose the one that suits you best. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of buying on Alibaba without the backing of a company. Don't forget to periodically check your email for any updates regarding your order and forthcoming delivery details. So whenever you're inspired to make a purchase on Alibaba again, just remember these simple steps. Happy shopping, and may your packages arrive promptly and exceed your expectations.